Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're plunging into the thrilling realm of crypto investments. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, these strategies can help you navigate the crypto market. Firstly, buy and hold. It's a time-honored strategy where you acquire promising cryptocurrencies and patiently observe their growth over time. Imagine it as sowing seeds for future profits. Then come day trading and swing trading. These strategies are about capitalizing on short-term price movements for swift earnings. Remember, the crypto market is a roller coaster. Hold on tight. Mining, a technique where you certify transactions and earn fresh coins. It's like hitting a digital gold mine but needs specialized hardware and energy. Staking is another tactic, which involves participating in the network's consensus mechanism and earning rewards for maintaining and supporting the blockchain. Ever thought about getting into new projects? ICO and token sales could be your thing, but proceed with caution. Scams lurk everywhere. Always do your due diligence. Arbitrage, the skill of profiting from price disparities on different exchanges. Swift thinking and swift fingers are key here. Remember, the crypto market is dynamic. Diversify your investments, stay updated, and only invest what you can afford to lose. What's your go-to crypto investment strategy? Share it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights. Until next time, happy investing!